Hi everyone, welcome to the GWL 30 Designing Your Future course. I'm doing this quick video just to show you how to use Brightspace because I'm planning on using Brightspace for this course, and some students can sometimes find that a little overwhelming. I like it, I find it can be quite useful, and so this video should show you that I've set up the course fairly simply, and I'm just going to run through a few things with you. So the first thing you're going to do is click on my course code, which is the GWL 30. And it's going to take you to this. So you're going to see here a link here to get started on the orientation. You click on that and you can do the orientation. On the right hand side is a list of what you should be doing each day. So I've already put up day one. So the orientation should be done, and then the first activity from unit 1 looking forward. So you can click on that link and it'll take you right to there. I'm actually going to view as a student, so I'll see it as the way you would see it. So let's just click on that. And you're taken over here, you click into this activity and you can go into the content page now. So that's how you access it. So this is unit 1, activity 1, I got skills. Let's close that down. Let's go back to this. Let's go back to the home page. So yeah, I also put down what should be done for each sub-module or activity. So this first activity on day 1, there's assignment, reflect on skills, interests and potential careers, and there's a link here to the Dropbox you can go to, and then the journal you will do is when did you have to use essential skills and work habits in the workplace. Each sub-module, guys, this is the way I'm laying it out in the course, each activity or sub-module, I expect you guys to do one assignment and one journal only. Okay, so let's just go back into this for a second. I go in each morning before I teach this course and I go through this and I cut out the crap essentially. These are normally quite long. There's a lot of information, a lot of stuff you don't need. So I go in, I take out all the stuff that is not needed and just leave in the essentials. So basically you've got some information here about, I won't go into this too much because I'll talk to you in live time on this, but essential skills and work habits. And then down here is the journal that you've got to do. That goes in your portfolio and I'll show you that in a minute. And then the assignments down here. So the thing that I'm going to mark and give you a first mark for, you do here. There's a checklist here. So the point of the checklist for each activity is this is just the essential things that you've got to do for each sub-module. So there's the assignment, there's the journal. That's what you've got to do from that first module that I was just showing you, sub-module I was just showing you. So there's the assignment, there's the journal. Okay, assignments, I normally put a link in the content page, but again you can go to assignments and I will hide all the rest of these, but you'll see activity 1, my personal inventory and potential occupations. That's the first assignment you're going to do. You're just going to put it in there when you've done it. Okay, so you can click on assignments, and when I've marked them you can also click on grades and see how you did on that and the feedback I give you. You don't need to worry about discussions because we're not going to do discussions for this course. I take that out, don't worry about that too much. The only other thing is for the journal. So you're going to click on your name, you're going to go to my portfolio, and you will see, I'm seeing it differently because I'm not a student, but you will see a thing from my course. You will click on it and then you can add your journals in there. You'll normally do it as a Google Doc and then you can simply add it in there, and those will be submitted at the end of the course. I don't mark the journals on an ongoing basis. I take a look at them at the end of the course. One more thing you're going to need to do, and this is going to be really important on day 1 of this course, is when you go to the home page, you're going to need to scroll down, and where it shows you Google Apps, you're going to need to link this. So you're going to click on the actions, and you're going to need to link your Brightspace to your drive, and then you can add all your work from your drive to Brightspace. Otherwise it becomes a real pain, and you won't be able to do that. So make sure you link your drive to Brightspace on day 1. Other than that, guys, I think I've gone through all the essentials that you need to know. Like I said, the important thing I want to get across is that each activity we do, there's 2 things to do. A journal that I don't mark but goes in your portfolio, and an assignment that I do mark that goes in the Dropbox. On average, we'll do 2 activities a day, 1 in the morning, 1 in the afternoon. On the first day, it's an orientation and activity 1, give you a chance to get used to it, and it's not too overwhelming. You're going to work fairly independently on this, so I'm not going to be doing whole class teaching for long periods of time. You will get the chance just to work at this at your own pace. There's a good chance that you'll have both activities done in the morning.